and gentlemen, gather round for I have a tale to tell. A tale of wonder, whimsy, and wintry delight. Picture this: Heritage Parks once upon a Christmas, where the past and present collide in a festive explosion of Yuletide cheer. Imagine stepping into a time machine, but instead of whizzing through the cosmos, you're transported to a quaint village where horse-drawn carriage clip-clop down snow-dusted streets and the scent of roasted chestnuts wafts through the air. As you stroll through the park, you'll encounter a cast of characters straight out of a Victorian holiday card. And what is Christmas without carolers? Let's talk about their live performances. You can see them all around the park. It's like a holiday concert in the street. Just be prepared to join in on a rousing rendition of Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Of course, no visit to Heritage Park would be complete without stopping at the multiple buildings there. First up, the Prince House. This beautifully preserved Victorian mansion offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the late 19th century. Originally built in 1894 by Peter Anthony Prince, this house was once located in Prince Island Park. In 1967, it was meticulously preserved and relocated to Heritage Park. Imagine the effort and dedication required to move such a grand structure. Now, I know it's Christmas and it's too late for a Halloween tidbit, but this house is rumored to be haunted. One of the most famous spirits said to reside there is the Lady in White, who has been seen in the nursery in the second floor, often holding a baby. Some believe she might be Peter Prince's first wife, Margaret, although there are other theories as well. Visitors and staff have reported hearing footsteps when no one else is around, and some have even felt a strange presence in certain rooms. While these stories add a spooky charm to the house, most of the experiences are described as harmless and even friendly. So, if you are feeling brave, a visit to the Prince House might just give you a ghostly tale to tell.
The Prince House, what's the story with this one?
So the Prince House was built by Peter Prince in 1894. Beautiful three-story house. Peter Prince, wealthy, prominent businessman, and he built this house for his first wife, Margaret, and they lived there with their one grown-up son. And sadly, after a few years in the house, Margaret passed away. So Prince remarried, as men tended to do back then, and he remarried a lady named Emma. Well, sadly, Emma passed away a few years later of tuberculosis. So once again, Prince remarried. He married a lovely lady named Rosa, and sadly, she passed away from cancer. So he married for a fourth time a lady named Emily, who outlived him. But such a heartbreaking, sad story. And so it's no wonder that a lot of people feel the presence of a woman in that house. Many people have said that they feel that it is Emma, who is Prince's second wife, that they feel the presence of. So when staff walk into that house, we all feel compelled to say hello and to announce ourselves and to say goodbye. And we don't really do that with any of the other houses, but that one you just feel like you're in somebody else's house. And the story I want to share of this house is of Alex, who was one of our security guards. And so one night she decided she wanted to check out the Prince house and see what all the fuss was about. So she had gone into the house by herself on her nighttime rounds, 3 o'clock in the morning, went in with her flashlight, went up to the third floor to see what all the fuss was about. Nothing happened. So as she was coming down the third floor stairs, she was standing at the door with her back to the hallway on the second floor. And she was locking the third floor door when all of a sudden from behind her, she heard this soft, beautiful singing. And the singing got closer and closer and closer. until it was right behind her ear. And she didn't turn around.
I wouldn't either.
She just very quickly locked the door and then made a beeline for the stairs. And as soon as she hit the stairs, the sound disappeared.
Okay, that absolutely it gave me the creeps. That's okay. So never, lesson learned, we are never going to any of these houses late at night.
Next, let's visit one of the beautiful sandstone houses. These historic buildings, constructed from locally quarried sandstone, are a testament to Calgary's architectural heritage. The warm, golden hues of the sandstone give these houses a distinctive and inviting appearance, especially when adorned with festive holiday decorations. As you explore the interiors, you'll find yourself transported back in time, marveling at the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into creating these stunning homes. This particular house is a replica of the one that Colonel James MacLeod rented. The original house, upon which the 2/3 scale Heritage Park replica is based, was most likely built in 1887. One fascinating feature in this house is the beautifully preserved wolf and lynx rug. These animals were shot by a hunter over 100 years ago, and the rug served as a unique and historical piece of decor. Another interesting building is the Innovation Crossing. It's a place where history meets innovation, providing visitors with a glimpse into the future while celebrating the past. One particularly captivating display features a model train highlighting the evolution of railway technology and its impact on society. Now, let's head to Heritage Plaza. It's a vibrant section of the Heritage Park that features various shops, restaurants, and attractions, including the Wainwright Hotel. It is designed to reflect the bustling atmosphere of the 1920s to 1950s town, offering visitors a unique blend of historical charm and modern amenities. During the Christmas season, it comes alive with festive cheer. The shops are adorned with holiday decorations, creating a magical ambience that transports you back in time. You can browse for unique gifts, enjoy delicious seasonal treats, and soak in the joyful atmosphere as carolers serenade you with classic holiday tunes. One of the highlights of our visit was the horse-drawn carriage ride. As we climbed aboard the beautifully decorated carriage, we were transported to a bygone era, clip-clopping through the snow-covered streets. The gentle sway of the carriage, the crisp winter air, and the sound of hooves on cobblestones made for an enchanting experience that perfectly captured the spirit of the season. Lastly, we have the Canmore Opera House, a charming little theater that hosts live performances and holiday-themed shows. They have 3 schedules throughout the day, and before the show starts, our carolers are here again to serenade us with beautiful Christmas songs.
Tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
Mrs. Claus asked us not to take videos of the play, so we cannot give you a glimpse of it, but I can tell you, it was a fun interactive show. As the sun sets and the twinkling lights illuminate the park, you'll find yourself transported to a simpler time. A time when the holidays were about more than just shopping and stress. It's a reminder that the true magic of Christmas lies in the moments we share with loved ones, the traditions we cherish, and the joy we find in the little things. Please subscribe to our channel for more holiday videos like this. Happy holidays, one and all!